So we're back on the AI agent store. It's, our usual spot for finding what's new.
Always something interesting on there.
And today we found something that claims to solve a pretty massive problem for anyone in the creative space.
Yeah, this one caught my eye. It's a listing for a tool called Seedance 2.
And the pitch is, well, is pretty bold. It says it's an AI video generator that can turn text, or even just a static image, into a cinematic quality video.
Right.
And I have to say, I'm always a little skeptical when I hear cinematic. Usually that just means, it's not super blurry.
I had the exact same thought, but then I looked into the tech they're describing. The key thing here seems to be something they're calling advanced motion synthesis.
Advanced motion synthesis. Yep. That sounds like some serious marketing fluff. Is there anything, really behind that?
I think so, yeah. It's kind of like the difference between a flip book and an actual video camera.
Okay.
A lot of the early AI video stuff felt like that flip book, just sort of morphing one image to the next. That's why you get those weird, jittery movements.
Right, the uncanny valley stuff.
Exactly. Motion synthesis implies the AI actually understands the physics of how things are supposed to move. It's not guessing the next frame, it's simulating it.
Okay, that is a big difference. So practically, how does it work? I'm seeing two main modes on the site here. First one is text to video.
Right, and that's huge for getting past that blank canvas problem. It's not just about making a video, it's about rapid prototyping. You can visualize a whole storyboard in seconds.
And then there's the other one, image to video. So you can take a still photo and it just animates it.
Precisely. But here's the part I found really interesting. We're always talking about these autonomous agents that can run huge workflows.
Yeah.
Well, Seedance 2 is listed as a non-autonomous tool. It has an autonomy score of just 14%.
14? That seems incredibly low. Does that just mean it's dumb?
No, not dumb. It means it's obedient. And that low score is actually the whole point. It tells you this isn't a go make me a viral movie button. It operates in what they call reactive mode. So it's a tool. It's the paintbrush, not the painter. You're still the director.
Which, honestly, that makes a ton of sense when you look at the target audience they list. It's content creators, marketers, video editors.
Exactly. They aren't looking to replace themselves.
No, they just want to get their vision out faster.
It's an efficiency tool. A marketer could test, 10 different video ad concepts in the time it would take to just set up the lights for one real shoot.
And you're not booking a studio, you're just using credits. I did see that this is a paid service. It uses a credit system.
And it should be. That pricing positions it as a professional tool, not some free toy. You're paying for some serious computing power to get that kind of motion right.
So if we pull back for a second, what's the bigger picture here?
I think we're moving really fast toward a world where filming, the actual act of pointing a camera at something, is becoming optional for high-quality storytelling.
The barrier to entry for making something look incredible is basically dropping to zero.
It really is.
Which leaves us with a pretty weird question, right? If making something look like a Hollywood movie becomes effortless, does that make the idea more valuable? Or does everything just get drowned out by beautiful noise?
That is the billion-dollar question.
Well, you can check out the listing for yourself over at aiagentstore.ai. And hey, if this conversation was helpful, please take a moment to rate the podcast. It really helps us out. Thanks for listening.